Once you have created visualizations, you can combine them into storyboards that group the information in a meaningful way. Switch to the Compose workspace. By default, a new story and board are created. Drag the first and third visualizations onto the board so that they display next to each other. The visualization expands to fill the available space. When you add a second visualization, you can determine how it will display, side by side, top to bottom, by dragging the thumbnail to a specific location in the board creation zone. Note that you can also click to drag and drop the image icon into the board creation zone to add a URL for an image widget, or drag the text icon to add an annotation to a chart. To further refine your board, you can add attributes to the controls area so that you can filter the data. Filter on product line. Test the control by limiting records to Thermex products. Note that the charts have updated to reflect the selection. Remove the filter. Change the name of the story and the title of the board to something more meaningful. In this tutorial, typed values are entered for you. You can also modify key options for the story and associated boards. Try turning the title for the board on and off. Note that the title is suppressed and the charts and controls are resized as appropriate. Next, change the background color for the charts to pale yellow and then revert to the original background. Finally, add a background image to the board. Change the opacity of the image so it is easier to see the visualizations. Save your changes to the story and associated board. Stories can include multiple boards. Note that you can add a new blank board, create a clone of an existing board, reset a board, or delete a board. Add a second board to the story. Add the second visualization to the new board and suppress the title. Note that you can change from Edit mode to View mode at any time to see how the finished storyboard will look. You can navigate between boards using the page controls at the bottom of the window. Save your changes to both the storyboard and the document. You have successfully created a storyboard with multiple elements. This is the end of the tutorial.